At the top of the hour, we told you a federal judge in Colorado has blocked the Trump administration from using a controversial 18th century law to deport immigrants out of our state for now.
And judges in New York and Texas have also paused deportations while the administration forms an appeals process. Number 7's Ryan Fish in the studio tonight to take us further in depth on this. And of course, Ryan, this comes after the U.S. Supreme Court last week decided those facing removal under the law are still entitled to due process.
And that's really the key here in this particular case. Last month, President Trump invoked the Alien Enemies Act of 1798 for the first time since World War II. He says in the name of public safety. Trump says the Venezuelan gang, Tren de Aragua, is invading the country, and that law justifies the removal of those members. Now, 2 Venezuelan men being held in Denver claim in court documents they're being unfairly linked to TDA, and they deny belonging to the group, but they say they haven't been given that due process. The ACLU sued on behalf of those men, asking for an emergency order, and U.S. District Court Judge Charlotte Sweeney granted that stay for 14 days last night, though there is a hearing set for Monday.
And Ryan, I think a lot of people are wondering how much will this order matter? The Trump administration has already shown it's reluctant, even flat out refusing to follow court orders related to immigration.
And White House Press Secretary Caroline Leavitt spoke to that tension today, indirectly referencing this order and saying, quote, another rogue district court judge is trying to block the administration's mass deportation efforts. And that's been the point of view from the administration, that it's these judges that are the ones that are acting out of turn. Well, we asked a CU law professor, Deep Gullasekaram, who focuses on immigration and constitutional law. He says it comes back to the Constitution, which includes that right to due process, regardless of who is being accused and of what crime. In his opinion, if the administration were to circumvent an order like this and continue to attack judges, that qualifies as a constitutional crisis. Leavitt earlier today did say the administration will fight this in the court of law.
All right. Ryan Fish tonight. Nice work on this. We appreciate it.
Thank you, Ryan.
Thank you.
Well, coming up next on Denver's